Uncertainty grips the world as it relates to the Pfizer vaccine that was created to combat the COVID virus after two persons that were given it in the United Kingdom triggers a serious allergic reaction. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you please remember like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. We'll be right back after this break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. So, the UK initiated its first use of the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine yesterday to its first patient. 24 hours after, the country is actually reporting that the two patients that were given this vaccine is actually showing a significant sign of an allergic reaction to the vaccine. Now we are going to bring you up with the latest that we have to bring to you as it relates to what they have stated and what's to come based on this new development. So the UK drug regulatory body have stated that anyone with a history of significant allergic reaction to food, medicine or vaccination should not currently be a part of the trial process of this vaccine. So people that have a significant high risk of such activities should not be a part of taking the job as they might experience a significant allergic reaction from this vaccine. The vaccine actually was administered to two NHS workers who received the job and had adverse reactions, it stated. The National Health Service in England confirmed that two staff members who were administered doses on Tuesday on the first day of the mass vaccination program suffered an allergic reaction. Both staff members have significant history of allergic reaction to the extent where they have to carry adrenaline and auto injection to use in case this happen. So as it relates to the symptom of this right now, it's very unclear whether or not this will be administered to other patients currently with the virus or whether or not they will stop the actual use of it. However, they are actually carrying out a massive investigation in order to ascertain what are the specific allergic reaction that people might encounter while taking this new vaccine. The NHS have stated that all trusts involved in the vaccination program have been informed about this information, and this means that anyone scheduled to receive the vaccine on Wednesday will be asked about their allergic reaction history. So as it stands right now, it doesn't seem like the government plan to pull this vaccination program off the market. They have stated that they will be trying to check the medical history of individual who will be administering this vaccine in order to see whether or not they suffer from complications relating to other medications before they are administered this vaccine. But as it stands right now, the world is looking on the UK and just awaiting to see whether or not this vaccine is actually 94% effective, as was stated in the initial stage of the implementation of this vaccination program. Now, the UK has suffered a major meltdown as it relates to the COVID spread that swept the world by storm and has so far initiated this program in order to combat the spread of the virus, which has so far claimed almost 60,000 lives in the country. The government chief scientist advisor Sir Patrick Vellans have stated that the United Kingdom is nowhere close getting back to normal before spring and are so far contemplating that we might be still in mass for next winter. So this is where we believe we're going to leave this one now for now. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV, and just drop it in the comment section how you feel about this new vaccination program that is out there, and would you be a part of the initial trial phase of the vaccination program if you have a chance. So just drop it in the comment section. I look forward to hear your response. But as the world looks on right now, many people have begun to speculate the actual reason behind this vaccine. And I've heard a number of misconceptions going on out there as it relates to it as well. So it's very unclear right now what the government plan to do as it relates to those misconceptions, and whether or not they will make this vaccine become mandatory for all citizens in the United Kingdom to take. But whichever way it goes, we'll continue to just keep you up to date with this one, and just continue to follow the latest as it relates to this on Links 007 TV. Peace out. Bless.